Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve these beautiful spring twists. Now go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and this tutorial is very detailed. It is going to be for 4C hair, and also follow me on Instagram and stay tuned guys. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to part my hair in four different sections. These two, I've already added products to them. So I'm going to show you guys how like what products I add and etc. Okay, so I take some coconut oil. It's like pure coconut oil here. Probably take about this much. It's kind of melting, it's hot today. And I put it all over the hair. Make sure I get it into the roots of my hair. Okay, and then I'm going to take some black castor oil and do the same thing. And I'm going to add some water so my hair gets dry. It eats all of this stuff up. Okay, and then we're going to take my favorite product, which is Black Vanilla by Carol's Daughter. You guys, like, this product is like amazing. Like, I've already purchased more of it and I'm already halfway through the jar thing. So yeah, so I'm taking about this much for this side of my hair. So achieve these spring twists will be this hair here. It is by Outre. It's called Twist It Up, and then Spring Twist there at the bottom. And I'm using the color 1B. And I'm going to, I think I'm probably only going to end up using about 3 packs of this hair because it actually goes a long way. But I did end up buying a 4th pack. So I bought 4 just in case because I really want my hair to be full. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I start off this hairstyle. So we're gonna start in the back. So I have one twist here, and I'm going to separate this twist into actually 3 sections because I'm working on, you know, like the nape or whatever it's called, the back of my head. So I'm working along those edges, and I really don't want to use a lot of hair for that area, just because it's just too much tension. So split it into 3. So I have one little section here, and I'm going to part my hair. And I'm using the Eco Styler gel, the green one. So I just dabbed a little bit of that on the portion there. And I'm gonna offset this just a tad bit because I want like this, I want it longer. So actually, if you want these like super duper long, you can do this and just kind of offset it that way to make it longer. which actually is probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start off with braiding it. Hopefully you guys can see this. Start off with braiding it. Okay, and taking one portion, adding it to the other, bringing it forward to twist it. Sorry you guys, these earrings do me no justice. Okay, now we're twisting. And cut, like I'm gonna cut right there at an angle. So this is how I cut it, like kind of cut it at an angle so it's not blunt at the end. So there's that, and it springs right up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do another one. I'm just gonna show you guys again. So this is that same strand, and you see like it's still big, so this hair like goes a really long way. So I'm actually just going to take just a little bit, like the same size that I had going, and I'm going to offset it again so that it's a little bit longer. And just kind of keep track of how you're offsetting it. So hopefully you guys can see this again. And the part does not have to be perfect. And the ends look bad right now, but you can do this with gel or and it looks like it's going to unravel, but it's not. So that's that. So I have these two down right now. So hopefully you guys get the hang of that. I'm going to go ahead and get started on my hair. It's gonna be a long day and I look super tired. And I'm going to check back in with you guys when I'm about halfway through with my hair. So good luck, stay strong. I know this hair, it's like a long process, but trust me, it is so pretty and like so carefree. And I get so many compliments on it that it, you know, it is worth the hard work. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi you guys. Okay, no judgment, but it is truly the next day. It's like what time is it? It's like 8 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock in the morning right now. And I didn't go to bed until like 3 a.m. I'm super tired, but so this is how far I've gotten along with this. I'm still doing them really small, so that's why. And I don't mind like how long it takes me. But we need to knock this section out before this afternoon, so that's what I'm doing. And my cat, every time I'm talking, my cat just always has to say something. What? No. No, no. Nope. Nice. So to get back into this, I've already wetted this section to just kind of like add moisture to it, and I'm still going to be adding moisture as I go. I've only used 2 packs of hair, and I still have some left. So I think like I'm good with just 2 packs of hair, hopefully. But I'm gonna do these like super small. So yeah, let's get back into it, guys. And you guys, like, my parts are not perfect, which is totally fine. I don't care. Nobody's looking at my hair like that in depth. And okay, so this is what I've been doing. I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil. It's melted down at my roots. And then I take the Eco Styling gel, just a little bit. So this is one, and this is how I split it. Like, I'm probably not gonna split it directly in half. Like, I'm gonna split it maybe a little bit over like 1/3. This, flip it out, separate it into two. And I have noticed that if you don't split the hair like into two, um, like if you just take like one whole piece to do like one big braid, it doesn't end up like really curly. Like the ones that are bigger that I've already done are like more straight, and I don't like that. So I'm like, the smaller it is, like the curlier it is, or the more springy it is. So I'm halfway asleep, y'all. You all, I am so happy. Like, I have 2 more braids left. So I'm just like, y'all know the feeling when you only have like 1 or 2 braids left. It's like, oh, okay. So, and on the top portion of my hair, like, I really have like really bad split ends. So I've just been like going through and like snipping it as I part it for the braids. So, yeah. Okay, let's get these two in. I'm so tired. Take like Now to add a little bit of shine, I'm going to add coconut oil and just rub it all over my hair. So here's the finished product, guys, and check out the length. That's how long it came out to be. It is so full. This hair is not weighing down my head, although my head does weigh down itself. But yeah, this came out gorgeous. Well, so this is one day after doing the hair. I've had it in an updo ponytail, so maybe I'm going to put, mousse in the front just to kind of help it lay down just a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Feel free to hit the like button and please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace and love. Bye.